Hello, welcome to Computing for Everyone channel. In this tutorial, I would like to share about the knowledge of hardware troubleshooting tips. So the first one is use common sense because some solutions are obvious. If you examine the equipment, for example, a cable might be loose or disconnected. If its power strip is in use, is it turned on? Be sure to look for these obvious problems before diving too deeply into troubleshooting mode. So this is the first important thing. Okay, let's go to number two. Check physical connection. Okay, this might involve making sure the device is plugged, device is connected to the computer, that it is connected to the right port, that an educator is fully seated in its slot, and also memory card like that. Number three, number three is check external issues. So make sure these are not loose cable or connection, verifying that the power is reaching the device. Our indicator light is the power cord loose. On a laptop, is the power cord securely connected to the transformer as well as the laptop of the laptop and the outlet. So check for any physical damage. Okay. Number four, check the adapter to which the device is connected. We need to make sure this is a small minor, but sometimes we make mistake. Okay. So number five, check device manager. Don't forget to use device manager. Okay. Number six, use the troubleshoot tool in the system app. Okay. Number seven, check for a number of causes. Okay. We need to find many cases. If you can find and specific, if you can find definite error, we need to check a number of causes, number of error. So that is the general troubleshooting tip for you. Hope you guys enjoy.